I'm out here taking a little walk with Maui to try to catch the very last of the sunset. Got a little snow last night, so it just looks beautiful. The lake looks blue even though it's got snow on top of it. Maui's leading me down to the cabins. You can see some tracks in the snow. Some deer came through here, clearly. And I'm trying to be a little bit careful going down this hill. But not much snow. Nothing too much just yet. Oh, hi, Sam. Hi, Sam. Anyhow, down at the cabins now. They're closed up for the winter. But the sun took care of the snow down here pretty much today. Most of it's already gone. Maui's over by the other lake. Everything's looking good though. The lakes were perfect for ice skating, but now the snow on top, they won't be quite as good. But they were like slick as glass yesterday. And then today, this is what it looks like. I'm ready for summer. Let's go look at this other lake. The cabins look great. There's not much land here. It's just a short, small little bit between the two lakes. And this is a homemade snow fence. Much needed once the real snow gets here. But everything looks good.